If you'd like to divide a circle into equal parts in Adobe Illustrator, I'm going to show you the quickest, easiest way to do so. So let's check it out. So I've got my circle here, and the first thing I want to do is I want to create a line so that we can start dividing. All right, so let's go down over here. You'll see this line segment, and we want to locate the center of our circle, which is that point right over there. Now, if you're holding in Shift, this will now make sure that you can see center. Click down and drag it to a point on your circle. From here, we're going to go over again to the left-hand side, and we're going to select our rotate tool. Okay, we're going to hold in Alt, and we are going to click on that center point. Now, this will bring up your rotate dialog. Let's put it over here, and what you're going to type in here is 360 divided by, and the amount of divisions that you want equally in your circle. Let's make it 7. What you're going to do here is make sure you're clicking on copy, and you'll see now this is what it looks like. From here, we are going to hold in Control, and we're going to tap on D. You'll see that it has now duplicated that line, and we'll click it until we are happy with all of our divisions. From here, we're going to go to the Select tool again on the top. Let's click down and drag a box over all of the elements, making sure that we're selecting all of the elements. And from here, we can now go over to the left-hand side. We are going to look for the shape builder. Let's click on this. You can see here that you can identify all these shapes. All right, so let's go over to the right-hand side. You'll see appearance, and let's start filling these segments. Let's use blue, and let's click in over here. Next, let's use a different color, and let's click in this one, and so forth. As you're going along, you can do so with the colors that you are wanting to add to these segments. And once you're done, you'll have something that looks a little bit like this, I guess. There you go. That's now easily dividing a circle into equal parts.